Hello, happy Wednesday. Welcome to SAP Virtual Resources, where small businesses find clarity and confidence in their finances. I'm Sarah Page, a financial expert with over 25 years of corporate accounting experience and 3 years of helping entrepreneurs master the world of bookkeeping and accounting. Each week, I'll share practical tips, insights to help you navigate the complexities of financial management and drive your business forward. Join me as we unlock the keys to financial success. So, I want to take the next few weeks to discuss debunking some myths around different tax deductions. It seems like that is the rage right now. Everyone's sharing how that you can pay less taxes. And a few of the suggestions are a little concerning. So, one of the ones that I want to start with is personal appearance tax deductions and what really could be deducted versus what can't be deducted. So, clothing, makeup, hair, manicures, most of that cannot be deducted, except in certain circumstances. If you are a speaker or if you're attending a conference and you rent your outfits for this event as basically your costume for the event, that would be deductible in most cases. Not everyone is the same, so there's always the specific circumstances for your business. Uniforms. If you provide you or your staff with logoed uniform shirts, pants to wear while they're on the job, if you are a plumbing company and you have the plumbing company logo on their shirts and you provide uniform pants, that would be deductible. If you wear business type suits to your office and to social events, those aren't deductible. That's your clothes. Same thing, makeup, hair, wigs. If you are using them for a job interview, for things like that, it's not going to be deductible. If you, it's just part of the personal hygiene. If you are a model or a makeup artist, then the makeup wigs could be considered used for work. If you're just making videos that you're sharing on the social media, chances are good they're not deductible. And I know that is one of the ones that has been shared a lot is because I make videos, my hair, my manicures, my makeup is all deductible. Not always. If you think it should be deductible, check with a tax professional. Go in and get an actual answer for your circumstances. Your circumstances might be different than another person in the same type of business just because of what your actual business is. But for the most part, buying fancy clothes that you get to write off because you wear them in a video, it isn't going to usually be deductible. Your uniforms, costumes, specialized attire that's necessary for your job, PPE, that would be considered necessary for your job. If you're a roofer, you need safety straps, you need fall protection. That is deductible because that is required for your job. But there is so much nuance in what can and can't be done. But if it's anything that's dual purpose, like I said, makeup, clothing, hairstyle that you're going to use for business and recreation use, generally not deductible. If it is costume, uniform, something very specific to your job that would never be worn outside of the job, then that can be deductible. But again, I am not a tax expert. Talk to a tax professional. Do not and I'll say this for any tax deduction, please do not take your advice for deductions off of TikTok, because I have seen some very cringeworthy suggestions that could end up getting you to know the IRS agents in a much more personal manner, which you don't want to do. So next week we will discuss another tax deduction myth, and hopefully you found this helpful. If you have questions and you want to reach out to me, like I said, I'm not a tax professional, but I do work in the construction industry and I work with other small businesses that are getting up and going. I can help with some of that. Otherwise, I do recommend reaching out to a tax professional. So have a great week, and I'll see you next Wednesday.